Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today, I will be sharing with you Legit app for free Binance Coin, which I used to acquire at 1 BNB in the last 2 months. But before I proceed guys, Legit free Tron app has been updated with over 18 plus best faucets. Check out the links under this video to get the updated free Tron app. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button under this video and turn on the alarm bell to receive notification of new video from TechMavi. On this free Binance Coin app, we have 11 Legit faucets site to get free BNB. All available faucets here, required faucet pay wallet address to receive your claims. We will check them out one after the other. Let's check out Faucet Pay Wallet. On this Faucet Pay is where your claimed coins from listed faucets are stored. To claim free Binance Coin from listed faucets, you will need Binance Faucet Pay Wallet address. Click on Deposit button. Scroll down and tap on Binance Coin Wallet and it will be copied. We are still coming back there to copy our Binance Wallet address. To withdraw coins to your personal wallet from this Faucet Pay, click on Withdraw and follow the steps on this withdrawal page. For better understanding on how to withdraw, check out my previous videos under Free Crypto Coins playlist. Now let's check the listed faucets and get our free Binance Coin. On this page, you need your Binance Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free Binance Coin, and can be claimed every 5 minutes. To get your Binance wallet address, click the app drawer menu and go to Faucet Pay Wallet. Click on Deposit. Scroll down. Now tap on Binance Coin wallet address. Now that we have copied the address, go back to the page. Now paste the copied address into the box shown on the page. Scroll down. Click on Login. Now that we've logged in, scroll down. Solve CAPTCHA. Now click on Claim button. Solve anti-bot and click the Get Reward button. We got free Binance Coin finally from this faucet. To claim free Binance Coin again from this faucet, you have to wait 5 minutes. Before I proceed to the next faucet, let's check the free Binance Coin we claimed on Faucet Pay Wallet. Click on User Dashboard. Scroll down. Here is it, the free Binance Coin we just claimed. Can you see that? Just very simple to use this app. Let's check out other faucets. On this faucet page also, you need Binance Coin Faucet Pay wallet address to claim free BNB, and can be claimed every 5 minutes. So, paste your copied address in the box. Scroll down and solve CAPTCHA. Click on Claim button. Solve anti-bot. Scroll down and click on Get Reward button. And we got another free Binance coin. Very simple to use. Let's check one more faucet page, and get free Binance coin. On this faucet page, you do not need Binance Coin Faucet Pay wallet address to claim, but you will need your Faucet Pay email to withdraw from this page. Once you've registered and logged in, click the page drawer menu. Press on Binance Coin and click on Faucet button. Free BNB can be claimed from this faucet page every 10 minutes. Now scroll down. Solve CAPTCHA. Click on Claim Now button. And we got free Binance coin. Now to withdraw from this page to your Faucet Pay wallet, go to the drawer menu. Press Finance and click on Withdraw. From the pop-up box, click on Enter your wallet info. Now scroll down. Type the email you used to created Faucet Pay wallet account in the box, and click Save button. Your email has been successfully added. Now click on Withdraw again and your coins will be deposited automatically. Repeat the previous steps to claim free Binance coin from the remaining faucets. To get this app, check out the links under this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and leave comments under this video. Thanks for watching.